Model, 2008 VAUXHALL Vivaro short wheelbase, diesel 2.0 CDTI 115 PS van 2.7T simple fixed star struck bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 148109. MOT, 6 October 2024. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhpg. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs slightly, timing chain has slipped, 1 or 2 tooth will need replacing shortly. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.